Hey guys, this is Mo. In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from $0 to $4,000 per month in MRR in just 2 weeks using a brand new Gohighlevel AI offer. So in the first 2 weeks of launching this offer, we closed enough clients to hit $4,000 per month in recurring revenue. On top of that, we currently have 7 more clients that we already closed and they're ready to pay. We just didn't get a chance to onboard them because we had Christmas and holidays and stuff. So once we onboard those clients, we will be sitting at roughly $7,000 per month in MRR with this brand new offer. All right. Now, I want to show you guys some proof. What I'm going to do is I will hop into my Stripe account here. So I'll just quickly refresh the Stripe account so that you guys can see this is actually real. Cool. You can see here in the last 2 weeks, you can see we have collected about 2,900 pounds, which if you convert that into USD, it will be around 4,000 USD. So we are right now at 4,000 USD per month, but as I said, we will be at 7,000 USD per month in MRR after we onboard all the clients in our pipeline. So it is just a start. We will be at 10K per month, hopefully by the end of January. All right. Now, I have been selling Gohighlevel buildouts for the last 3 years. What I have been doing is I just go to local business owners and I build them a system in Gohighlevel in exchange for a couple $1,000s. All right. So that's what I have been doing for a long time. And I have been doing pretty well with that. I have generated over $500,000 using that exact same model, right? But this thing that I'm doing here right now is completely different. This is something that I started doing the first time. This is the first time I have launched a pure AI-focused SaaS offer using Gohighlevel in a very specific niche, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit, with a goal to see how fast I can scale this AI offer into a completely new market using Gohighlevel. All right. And I'm going to document this entire process with you guys on YouTube so that you guys can see what actually works in the market, how to build these AI offers, sell to local businesses so that you can do the same for yourself. All right. Now, who this video is for? This video is for you if you are a non-technical person like me. I'm a completely non-technical person. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to build AI agents using all these complex tools like NA10 and stuff. So I don't know how to do that. If you're someone like me, then welcome to my video. If you want to build monthly recurring income and you want to sell AI systems to local businesses, you want to build an AI agency, then this video is definitely going to be really insightful for you. All right. Now, as I told you guys, I'm a completely non-technical person. I don't know how to code or I don't know how to build this complex AI agent. So what I do is I use Gohighlevel. I'm pretty sure you guys know this about this tool by this point. I use Gohighlevel. This is a really good tool and it has really powerful AI features built in the software in Gohighlevel. All right. So what I do is I just simply use their AI tools that are available in Gohighlevel. And I build my entire system that I sell to my customers and I just white label and package them in a way that makes sense for local business owners, right? So that's what I have been doing. So you really don't need any special skills or any technical skill to be able to do that. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you how we have been able to do that, all right? Now, what I'm going to do in this video is I'll walk you through a couple of things. I'm going to talk about the niche that I chose and why I chose that niche. I'm going to show you our offer, the exact offer that we are selling to our customers right now, what we are providing to our customers and how much we are charging our customers. I'm going to show you that. I will also show you how we have been able to build an AI system that actually get results for our customers. Because guys, at the end of the day, if you're selling some sort of like subscription offer, then it's very important that you get your customers some sort of results, right? If you don't give them something useful, if you don't give them something that they use on a day-to-day basis that gets them results, then they won't stick with you. All right. With subscription type of products, retention is one of the biggest challenges that you have to solve. And I think it's pretty simple. If you can build a product, if you can build a system that actually works, that actually gets them results, they are going to stay with you. They are going to keep paying you for months to come. All right. So this part is very important. Like I'm going to show you how we have been able to do that, how we have been able to build a product, build a system that actually works and gets results for our customers. So this would be really helpful if you are someone struggling with retention. Then I'm going to talk briefly about like how we are acquiring clients right now and also the future plan to scale this offer to 50,000 pounds per month within the 12 months. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about the niche that I chose. So the niche that we are selling our AI offer to is UK-based cleaning businesses. So I know you guys guys are thinking like why this is so particular, right? Like why this is a peculiar niche, because when people choose a niche, this type of niche doesn't come to their mind, right? So there's a reason why I chose this niche. It has a lot to do with how the concept of launching this AI offer came to my mind. So what happened is 2 months ago, client came to me for a build out. Like he was from the UK and he had a window cleaning business in the UK. He was doing pretty well. He was doing over £1 million per year in revenue. So he came to me and told me like, hey Mo, I have this business and I'm getting leads from Facebook ads, I'm getting leads from my website, but all the leads that come to me, come to my business, I have to manually call them, I have to follow up with them. So what I want is, I want you to help me build a system that can automatically follow up with the leads that I'm getting and book the job for me, all right? So that's what request they came in with. So basically, I built a done-for-you AI assistant for this client of mine using Gohighlevel. And what the AI system did for him is it took all the incoming leads for his business from meta ads, from his organic SEO that he was getting from his website. And whenever a lead came into his business, the AI would reach out to his leads via WhatsApp. Because in the UK, WhatsApp is the big thing. Most people use WhatsApp. So for communication channel between the lead and the system, we chose WhatsApp. So whenever a new lead came in, what the AI system would do, it would reach out to the lead on WhatsApp. It would send them a message, and when they reply back, it would engage with the lead in a conversation. It would collect their information, like what type of cleaning they want, their address, when they want us to come in for their cleaning, stuff like that. It would collect all the information about their home, their cleaning needs, and generate a quote for them instantly, right then and there, and book them for the cleaning appointment automatically, all right? So this is the exact system that we have built for him in Gohighlevel, all right? And all of the system, of course, was done by AI. Like we didn't have any manual involvement or manual process in this entire system. Now, when we built and launched the system for this client, it worked pretty amazing. And I want to show you the results actually. So what I'm going to do is I will go to the client's Gohighlevel account. So you can see this is the client's Gohighlevel account. And the first thing that I want to show you is his dashboard, all right? So this is something that I have built for my client, and we are like, for all the customers who are getting for our SaaS offer, for our subscription offer, we're also giving them this feature as well, which is a complete dashboard where they will be able to see like how many leads they are getting every single month, like in a given period of time, like how many leads they're getting from each sources of their leads. So for example, let's say they are running meta ads, like they will be able to see how many leads they're getting from meta ads. They will also be able to see how many leads they're getting from their website. So all the leads and all the reportings will come up here, all right? Most people, I think, who are selling, let's say, SaaS type of offer, like they don't have something like this. This is really valuable for local businesses, all right? Because if someone can log into their software and see like, hey, I got this amount of leads in the last week, or this amount of leads in the last 30 days, and I booked this many people into a paid service, then this actually gives them data, all right? It actually proves to your customers that the system that they are paying for is actually useful for them, right? Sometimes what happens is that your system that you build for them is probably giving them some sort of value, but they don't know that you're providing them value, or they don't know like what kind of value they're getting, all right? So you got to rub it in their face. I know it sounds harsh, but it's true, right? You got to rub it in their face. You got to show them like, hey, this is the data, this is how many leads you're getting, and this is how much conversion you're getting using our system. So that's exactly what I have done here for my client. So you can see total leads we got over the last 30 days is 116. And out of those leads, we have been able to book 47 customers into a paid cleaning appointment, all right? Paid service, which is really good considering that this conversion rate, which is about like 40%, conversion rate was achieved purely by AI. There's no human involvement here or whatsoever. I'm going to show you a real conversation between an AI and actual lead. I'm going to show you that. But just imagine like how powerful AI is, all right? It can take care of all the leads, all the incoming leads. It can take care of it. And whenever a lead comes in, it can send them a message, engage them in a conversation, give them a quote, answer all their questions, and then book them on the calendar for a job. So this is really, really powerful. This is a really valuable solution for your customers. If you can build something like this for a local business, any niche, doesn't matter, all right? If you can build a solution like this for a local business, you can easily sell this for a couple $1,000s, like one time, or you can sell this for a subscription, all right? Obviously, you can see we got really good results. And once we got this amazing result for this client, that's when it hit us that, okay, so if this client can get this kind of result using our AI system, then it means we can get the same kind of result for other cleaning businesses in the UK. All right. So that's when we started thinking about launching this AI offer into this market in the UK. Now, of course, we started with the UK because that's the market that we are familiar with right now. But eventually, once we hit, let's say, 10 or 20K pound per month level, we will eventually expand this offer into the US market as well. And the goal is to take this to 50 to 100K per month net income, net profit within the next like 12 to 18 months. All right. Now, this is basically like a very quick overview of like the system and the result that we're giving, that we have been able to give our clients. Now, what I want to show you is I want to show you the offer that we're selling. All right. So based on this system, what we have done is, of course, we have the system dialed in. And what we did is we took the system, created a snapshot of it. And every single time we are getting a new customer, like for our subscription offer, we are just like uploading that snapshot into like a sub account that we are giving them, that we're selling to them for £300 a month. We are basically just like giving them the snapshot and customizing it a little bit for them, because of course they won't know how to customize the AI agent. So what we're doing is like, it doesn't take us a lot of time. We just like upload the snapshot, go into the system, we just change a couple of things like the business name, their services a little bit, their pricing a little bit. And once we change that, we just launch this for them. So it takes us probably like 3 to 4 hours in total, but we are doing that done for you right now for them. Because what happens is, if you give them something that they don't know how to set up or they don't know how to use, then they are not going to be able to use that properly, and they won't get any results and they won't stay with you, right? So we're doing that setup for done for you right now. But the good thing about the AI system in GHL is that you don't have to do a lot of manual stuff, all right? It's pretty much like automated. You just go, you copy the snapshot, and then you can just like change the prompt a little bit and it will be good to go. So let me show you the offer that we are selling to our customers right now. So this is our website. I'm going to go to our website and quickly show you. So this is Verba. So this is the name of the AI assistant that we're selling to our customers. And if I scroll down, you can see this is Ben, our partner in this offer. So this is the first client that I built this AI agent for, this AI system for. And once it got results, I just partnered up with him because I thought that it would be the fastest way to scale this offer in the UK market, as he has expertise in this niche. He knows the lingo, he knows the problems we need to solve for these cleaning businesses. So it was just easier for us to partner up with him, understand the industry better, and scale this offer very fast, right? And it's already working. You can see we scaled to $4,000 per month in MRR very fast, and hopefully we will be doing 20 to 30K per month within the next 5 to 6 months. All right. Now, if I scroll down here, I want to show you exactly what we are providing to our customers. So you can see this is the main offer that we have, which is the WhatsApp AI system. So mainly in the UK, what happens is most of the people use WhatsApp for their daily communication. All right. So WhatsApp, unlike the US, actually, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging platform in the UK. So what we have done is we have built our bot for WhatsApp. So whenever a new lead comes in for the business owner, we reach out to the lead via WhatsApp. We send them a message and we start the conversation in WhatsApp. All right. And we give them a quote, we collect all the information, and then we book the job or book an appointment for the customer for our business owner on WhatsApp. So that's the main system that we're selling to our customers right now. All right. Along with that system, we have a couple of other bonuses. Mainly what we are doing is when they come in for our website, our AI system, we are also creating an AI website for them, so that let's say they have a website where we have a chat widget at the corner, and people, like they go to the website, they have any question, they can actually talk to a live agent, which is actually not a live agent, which is actually an AI agent, right, that we have built. But we offer that as well to our customers. Then we have a follow-up engine. So this is for people who, let's say a business owner might get 100 leads, but 40 of them, let's say, book, but there are 60 people who didn't book, right? So we are building up a follow-up engine for our business owner, so that they are leads who didn't book right at the beginning, we can like follow up with them. All right. So that's something that we're doing for the business owner as well. Next, we have automated Facebook system. So sometimes what happens is a lot of leads come to the Facebook page. They might send a message on Facebook Messenger or IGDM, and then they might want to like ask some questions or might want to book a job. So we have automated that part as well. So whenever someone message Facebook page, the bot will also be able to reply in the Facebook Messenger or IGDM and answer their questions, collect their information, and book the job there. Then we have automated review system. So whenever we have served a customer, we can send a review request to that customer, and if we get a really good review, a really good feedback, like 4 or 5 star, then we will be able to send them link where they can actually put the review on Google reviews. All right. The last thing that we are providing to our customers that's included in our offer is AI voice assistant, which is pretty simple. You understand how this works. So whenever we have an inbound lead calling our business and the business owner is not available, so basically the voice AI assistant will take up the call. All right. How this works is basically when a person calls in, the system will wait for 15 to 20 seconds to see if the business owner picks up or not. All right. So if the business owner picks up within 20 seconds, then of course the business owner can take the call. But if he doesn't pick up within first 20 seconds, then it will mean that the business owner is not available and the AI voice assistant will answer the call and it will talk just like a real human being. It will answer the call. It will answer any questions that the lead might have. It will qualify the leads, collect information, and book the job or book the appointment for the business owner. It works 24/7. And if someone calls at an off time, like when no one is available to take the call, this AI assistant can take the calls for our clients and help their leads like book a job or book an appointment. All right. So that's pretty much like all we are offering right now. And if I scroll down right here, you can see this is our pricing. We're right now charging £300 per month. We are doing a subscription model for now. Of course, we will be testing different pricing models to see what works best and how, like, where we are making the most amount of money. We'll probably try out a couple of different offers where we can do some sort of licensing deal where we just like sell the license to use our software for $4,000 or $5,000, something like that. We'll try that offer. We are planning on that. And of course, we have the normal subscription. Like right now, we don't have any setup fee, so we might try a variation as well where we are charging, let's say, $1,000 or $1,500, and then we are charging, let's say, $250 or $300, £300 per month in subscription fees. All right. So that's exactly the offer that we are selling right now. But again, this can change. We're actively testing the market right now to see what works the best and like where we are making the most amount of money. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much about the offer. Now, what I want to do is I will go back to the Gohighlevel and I want to show you the AI system that we have built. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to AI agents right here and I'm going to go to conversation AI and I will go to agent list right here. So you can see these are basically the agents that we have built. These are the same agents. We just have a couple of variations. All right. So this is the final version that we are using right now. So if I just click on here, you will see it's all built in Gohighlevel. If I go to bot goals right here, so it's all built on Gohighlevel. It's not complicated at all. You just got to make sure that we do the prompts the right way. So you can see we have 3 areas where we have to put prompt for the bot to work. Of course, there is a lot of thinking and there's a lot of testing that goes behind building these prompts, but it is very simple. All right. You don't have to like code or anything. You can just give a proper prompt to the bot and the bot will work amazing. All right. So I want to show you actual conversation so that you guys can see like how good the AI conversation system is in Gohighlevel. And I want to prove to you that it can actually get results for your customers, because I had that limiting belief that people will know this is an AI, people will not engage with an AI and they won't book. But after I saw this client get results and after I saw that people cannot even figure out they're talking to an AI, it broke my limiting belief and I knew that there is something here. All right. I knew that we can build AI systems for business owners and it can get them results. It can talk to their leads. It can engage with their leads, follow up with the leads, and the leads won't have any idea that they are talking to an AI. So what I'm going to do is I will go here and choose a tag so that I can show you a conversation between a lead and the AI system, a lead who actually booked an appointment. So I'm going to show you that. So I will choose this and I will choose FB, which means leads that came from Facebook ads. I'm going to click on apply here. All right. So these are basically the leads who came from Facebook ads and booked an appointment. All right. Booked job. So I'll just like randomly go into one lead. So this is the lead profile. I'll try to hide the lead details. Of course, I don't want to expose their like email address or number or anything like that. So anyway, so you can see right here, this is the conversation between a lead and the AI. So on the right side of the conversation, this is coming from the AI. And on the left side of the conversation, this is coming from the lead. All right. So if I scroll up and fetch some older messages, you'll be able to see like where it starts and the exact conversation. All right. So you can see like, you can already see this is crazy, right? This conversation is literally happening between a real person and an AI. And the person who's talking to the AI, like the lead, they don't have any idea that they're talking to an AI, which is a good thing, right? So I will try to go farther to just show you guys where it all started. All right, guys, so you can see like this is where it started. So as soon as the lead came in, what we did is the AI system sent a message to the leads like, hey, Kelly, this is Ben from King's Window Cleaning. Just received your property details. Do you want me to send over the prices? And then like, this is where the lead responds. You can see, hi, Ben. Sorry, just realized our area isn't on your list. We are in KT19. So the lead was concerned that we don't serve their area, but you can see the AI was able to like cover that objection. Like, it was able to like answer like, hey, we actually do cover your area. And then it asked like, should I send you a pricing, right? So this is really amazing. The AI can handle any objection that the lead might throw or any question that the lead might have, all right? So this is really powerful. And then you can see like, okay, yeah, sure, go ahead, send me the prices. We send them the price. The lead actually chose package that we are selling. So we have basically 3 packages: 6 weekly cleaning package, 8 weekly, 12 weekly cleaning package. So this lead chose the 8 weekly one. This means the cleaning crew will go to her home every 8 weeks to clean her windows, all right? So that's what she chose. And then of course, after that, like you can see, this is something very important, right? So what we have done is we have designed the AI system in a way so that it can not only hold the conversation with the lead, it can also extract data from the conversation. So from here, you can see the person chose a package, right? So we have designed the AI system in a way so that it can populate a field, it can update a field and store that information, like based on the conversation, based on what this person chose for her preferred package, we can actually take that data and store it into a custom field inside of Gohighlevel. So that's exactly what's happening here. You can see contact field updated. This means we just got an information from the customer and we got to store it somewhere so that the internal team, the cleaning crew can see, okay, so we got to go to her home every 8 weeks. She chose the 8 weekly package, right? So this is really powerful. Like we didn't have that feature a couple while ago, but right now we do have that. Like it can go to the conversation, and whenever we have the data, like whenever we have something that we want to know and what we want to store in the system, it can automatically extract the data and store it into a custom field for you, all right? So this is really powerful. So this is exactly what it did. And then we are asking the lead about the address. And after that, like we get the address, we update that as well. Then we ask about their postcode. So once this person gave her postcode, we checked when we served that postcode area. So for this client, how he runs his business is he serves separate postcodes on separate days. So for her postcode, they only serve that area on Saturdays, all right? So we tell her that, hey, we serve your area on Saturday, and when would you like to start? Like, would you like to start this Saturday or the next one? So this person chose this Saturday for her first cleaning appointment. And then we updated that field as well so that the cleaning crew can know when to go to her home for the cleaning. And then after that, we are basically asking like, what time would you prefer? Like, do you prefer morning or afternoon? She prefers afternoon. Again, we update that field inside the contact details so that, again, the cleaning crew can know when to go to our home. And after that, this is something very interesting, right? So right before we confirm the appointment with this person, we are trying to, like, the bot is trying to upsell the lead, right? So this is really interesting because like people think that, the AI cannot hold a real conversation. But here you can see the AI not only just like booked an appointment, it can actually upsell the leads, which is amazing. You can see like it's offering like, hey, we also have some other services that we can do for a one-time basis. Like we have internal window cleaning, full gutter clearance, stuff like that. So the AI is trying to sell, like upsell the customer, which is really interesting, right? So we have built that into the system, and it's all being done with just a prompt, no coding or anything like that. So of course you got to know how to build that prompt, and I'll probably teach you guys in the next videos. But this is really powerful. If you know how to build these systems, if you know how to build an AI agent with the Gohighlevel conversation AI feature, then this can be really powerful, guys. All right. So you can see like we are try to upsell the lead. And then, yeah, after that, the lead unfortunately said no, like we don't want anything else. How do I make the payment? Then we are saying like, okay, you can pay through email. We will send you a link, stuff like that. After that, yep, that's pretty much it. Then we confirm their appointment. We are telling them like, hey, this is the address. We will come on that day at that time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we are sending a confirmation email. So guys, you can see like this was a real conversation between a lead and the AI system that we have built. And you can see like at no point here, the AI agent broke down. Like it was just perfect, right? No matter what question you come up with, it won't break. Of course, we did a lot of tests. Of course, we went back and forth with the lead to make sure there is like no corner cases, but all of this was built using Gohighlevel's AI feature, which is amazing. All right, we don't like know how to code. We didn't do anything outside. We just used Gohighlevel's AI conversation system to build this system. All right. So this is really good, and you can see the result yourself. Like the AI is talking to the lead, engaging with the lead, and booking the job for our client. And when you have a system like this that works that well, that can get results for your customers, you can easily sell a system like this for a couple $1,000s or $250 or $300 per month subscription fee. You can easily do that. But you gotta make a system that works, all right? You gotta make a system that's valuable to your ICP, to your ideal client profile. So you gotta make sure of that. If you can build a system that works, that can get results, you're gonna make money, period. All right. Now I wanna talk a little bit about like how we are getting our customers for this offer. So right now we are mainly doing cold outreach. So what we are doing is we just go to Google Maps and we search for cleaning business owners in a specific city, and we extract the data and we just make a phone call to them and tell them like, hey, we have built £1 million per year cleaning business using an AI system. Are you interested to see how this works? We don't have like, you don't have to buy from us. There's no pressure to sign up or anything. We can just show you the system. So we just get them book an appointment and we get them on a Zoom call. We show them the system, we show them the case study, we show them the results, a conversation being done by the AI with the lead. We show them all this stuff and then we tell them like, hey, we're doing all this stuff for only £300 per month. We don't have any setup fee or anything. We can set you up and then you're good to go. So that's basically our process right now. Eventually we will start running Facebook ads. We're planning on doing that because if we want to scale faster, of course we will need to have some sort of paid ads component here. But right now we're just doing cold outreach for starters. I think we can easily take this to 10K or 15K per month level with cold outreach. And after that, if we want to scale further, then of course we will need meta ads. So that's basically the plan moving forward. And like we're closing pretty good percentage of people who are booking a call with us because we like our offer is really good. I think we're not charging enough. If we have, let's say 70 to 80% close rate, I think like it means that we need to charge more money. So that's basically what we will be doing. We'll be charging more money and trying different price points to see what makes more sense for us and where do we make the most amount of profit. All right. So that's basically the plan moving forward. I'm gonna keep you guys updated how it's going and how like we are scaling this offer to the next level, what's working in the market, so that you guys can exactly know what works and you can do the same thing for yourself. Anyway, so the moral of the story is, guys, this is pretty easy. All right, if you know how to build it, this is pretty simple. You can take an offer like this with Gohighlevel and you can sell it, you can scale it to 5, 10K, 15K per month level with ease without any issue at all. All right. So if you have like any questions regarding the software that we're selling or how to do anything regarding Gohighlevel AI offers, then you can drop your questions in the YouTube comment section. I'll try to answer your questions and I'll try to create more videos on this topic, like how we are building this offer, how to build this kind of like AI agents that can get your customers results, how to get more customers for your AI offer. I'll probably create more AI videos on that, but that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.